ni Kat sa Aisha.
Grabe ka.
Ang cute-cute ng bati.
Kapatid ko yun.
Oo nga eh, kaya tuwang-tuwa ako. Hindi lahat binabati ni Kat.
Dominic Roque, agaw eksena sa tagumpay ng movie kina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat! Patuloy nga na sumisira ng box office record ang pelikulang Hilulabagin na pinagbidahan ng dalawang bigating Philippine celebrity na sina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards, kung saan agaw eksena sa isang Thanksgiving party ang dating nobyo ni Bea Alonzo na si Dominic Roque. Kung matatandaan, record-breaking ang kinita sa unang araw ng Hilulabagin na pinagbidahan ni na Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards na tinatayang umabot ng 85 million pesos na nagtala sa kasaysayan sa pinakamalaking kinita sa pelikulang Pilipino. Matapos nga malaman ng ina ni Catherine Bernardo ang balita na ganon kalaki ang kinita sa unang araw ng movie na Hilulabagin, ay sinurprisa ni Tita Ming Bernardo ang dalaga kung saan ginising pa ito sa higaan.
Meron daw i-detect sa atin. Pero hindi ko pa tinitingnan kung ano. Kinakabahan ako na. Hello! Hello, Snowy!
Singit ka nga.
Oo daw, hindi ko po pinubuksan. Open mo nga yung ano. Asan yung... Teka lang. Ano? Snow. Sabihin natin, buksan tayo kung sino nanalo. Kasi phone mo. Wow! Ang tumipid sa akin. O, sino nanalo? Ikaw!
Kinagabihan nga ay isang Thanksgiving party ang naganap kung saan labis na pasasalamat ng dalawang bida na sina Catherine at Alden Richards, ngunit hindi nagustuhan ng ilang Kat din supporters ang kanilang nakita na tila agaw eksena ang dating nobyo ni Bea Alonzo na si Dominic Roque na lumapit kay Catherine Bernardo para magpa-picture at ibinandira agad sa kanyang social media account.
Bye-bye ito!
Bye-bye, Scar.
Sana all pinabati ni Kat. Pinabati ni Kat sa Aisha.
Grabe ka.
Ang cute-cute ng bati.
Kapatid ko yun.
Oo nga eh, kaya tuwang-tuwa ako. Hindi lahat binabati ni Kat.
Matapos nga makita ng ilang Kat din supporters ang mga litrato, ay umani agad ito ng samot-saring komento na tila na bash ng ilang supporters ng Kat din na kung makikita mo na habang busy si Alden Richards ay pasimpleng lumapit ito kay Catherine Bernardo na tila papansin na tagaw eksena si Dominic Roque. Para sa iba pang highlights ng kaganapan, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
Hello guys, this is Alden Richards.
Hola, this is Catherine Bernardo. So,
right now,
I think we're friends.
Yeah.
Are we friends? We're friends.
Yeah, we're friends, and since we started doing the film, and even way before naman, we have maintained that kind of relationship. Of course, with Hilulabagin, the relationship parang got deeper, we get to know each other better. Basically, everything is just light, and we make the most out of our time together whenever we get to do things like this.
So we're like workmates, and also we're good friends. Okay.
So Jack and Poy tayo to see.
Okay.
Let's go. Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy. Jack and Poy. Jack and Poy. Isa pa. So, three go. Jack and Poy.
Okay.
Ako una.
Go first.
Okay.
Be honest, did you ever imagine we would ever work together?
No. So, dapat hindi ako makuryente. I'm not lying.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, feeling ko di na tayo magka-work. Kala ko last na.
After the first part?
Yeah, you?
hopefully, siguro.
You were hopeful.
Hopeful. Other projects naman or other films.
Me no na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ouch. Yung sakit nun.
Hindi, akala ko lang hindi. Let me explain, okay? Hindi sa ayaw ko. Feeling ko, hindi na kami magkaka-work together kung wala namang part 2.
Yeah.
But it's a good surprise naman, di ba?
Yes.
Explain pa? Okay.
Tama naman.
If you were to rate yourself as a jowa, what would it be? 10 being the highest.
Okay. 7?
7
lang?
Mama naman.
No.
Ibenta mo sarili mo. Sorry. Sorry mo 9. Explain mo habang lang. Let's wait and then you explain. 7.
7?
Oh,
7.
Honest tayo dito talaga.
Yes, kasi parang ako, I really don't know how am I as a partner at this point in my life. So, parang ang hirap din kasing mag-presume how you are eh. Siyempre, iba pa rin pag nandun ka na sa actual situation. So, right now, para hindi rin masyadong overpromised. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to go on a date with me?
Yeah, I think so. Parang nakaka-curious paano ka makipag-date.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Ay, nakuryente ako. Oink.
Yung machine yung may problema talaga.
Actually, I have no idea. That's why I'm curious. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya makipag-date. So, I wonder, romantic ba siya? Medyo ano ba siya? Iba-iba kasi yung style ng guys, right? So, go. Answer.
Of course, with dating, of course, yung getting to know stage, simple lang, go to a nice restaurant.
Okay.
Good food pa rin. Yun ang love language na I think is the best love language na pwede kong ma-offer.
So, if you were to date someone, saan mo siya unang dadalan for your first date?
Bahay? House.
Yeah, bahay niya pupuntahan mo sa
Bahay niya or bahay ko? Friend din.
Go, bahay agad. Yay! Okay. Do you date to marry or date to have fun?
At my age right now, married.
Marry.
Married.
Liar. Liar po! Naka-date ka na for fun before?
No, then.
Never.
No.
So, pag nag-date ka, date to marry?
I think so, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I'm old.
You feel old?
I feel old. Do you? Date to marry? A date for fun?
I would date you because I see something in you.
Yeah.
And I think you're worth spending my time
Tsaka
with.
baka hindi for fun yung term.
Baka
date
hindi
to get
for
to
fun.
know.
Yeah, date to get to know you. But if it doesn't work, no problem. At least alam ko yung gusto ko. And I think this is the perfect time to know what I want, who I want. So, we'll see. It depends.
Do you think you're a green flag?
Well, yes.
yeah, that's the confidence. Let's
But parang ayaw mo mag-agree, Tisoy.
Hindi.
Yes. Ay, okay. Oh my God! Red flag ako!
Diyos ko,
Oh my God.
sabi ko na eh. Parang may problema yung machine today, guys.
What do you
Based on how I know Kath right now, it's not really about how you are as a person in terms of the bad side. It's how you make that good in you resonates to other people. And that's how she is to me and to everyone around her.
Ma, thank you.
Shut ka muna. Baka sumat din ako dun sa akin.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na update. Maraming salamat!